And stress and trauma can make the cancer worse.
So I tell you, I always, and I've for many years, I see these people who've been through divorce, deaths, etc., severe stresses, and they get a cancer. There's no question it plays a role. How we work out exactly how it does, I don't think we're going to know for a good while, because there's so many variable factors. And I think stress is there for all of us. It's not that we can't avoid stress, but I think if you collaborate and you team with people, you can manage it better.
Yeah.
So I kind of take the attitude of the little, I collect these little yellow dots and they bob along. And you just bob along, whether it's a big wave or a small wave and the water bobs over you. That's what you've got to try and do, okay? Because if you can't bob along, okay, and you're trying to push and fight against the current all the time, then you really battle.
I love that analogy,
Yeah.
the bob along analogy.